is chaos. We got everyone. Can we go this way, puppies? Jude? We got Miss Patch all the way out here on her own. We have. She's all the way out here on her own. Puppies! Puppies! Hey, puppies! Hey, puppies! Look how well trained I got the GSPs. Yay! Good puppies! Jazz, not you. Ah, good puppers. Phoebe, wait. Good puppies. I want to have a little go of stacking them. Jude, do you want to go and see if you can get your puppies out here? Jude, go find your puppies. Jude, go get your babies. Let's go find your babies, Jude. Look, Papa's your mother's here. Puppies. Wow. This is a big wide world for you all. Dude, come and see your babies, man. I got a big box in there for you to all play with and explore. Big box. Oh. So big. It's getting caught on the door. Wow, what is that, puppies? What is that? Oh, you're going to explore the box. Wow. Wow. That's Mr. Peach. He took his collar off. Ah, what are my little spotty babies doing? What are my little spotty babies doing? What are they doing? Oh, sounds like a vehicle. Bit of a difference without your heat lamp. Is that the problem? Is that the problem? You're not going to die. It's not that cold. Good guys. Oh wow, Phoebe. And out. Phoebe, out. Good girl, ready? Good guys. Lots of exploring to do. Apparently there's lots of crying to do too. I don't think I'm going to have the Dalmatian puppies out for much longer. They're a bit cold. There's the GSP babies. They're a bit harder. They're a bit tougher when it's cold. Yeah, you good girl. Should I put you back in because you don't like it? It's too cold for you. It's too cold for you. Oh, babies. Yeah, I'm going to put the Dalmatian puppies in. It's just a bit of a breeze. Like, it's not a lovely day, but it's not that cold. You are being a bit dramatic. Just saying. Right, don't be too rough. Yeah, I'm going to put them in. So they've all had to go stacking for some double cream. I gotta say, they're all looking very good. And they all loved the double cream, and they were all a pain in the bum because they all wanted to have a go at stacking because they all wanted the double cream. So, yeah, it looks a very, very consistent litter. I'll need to go back and have another look at the footage I got, because what I tend to do with stacking, especially on my own, is just take photos. Jazz! Oh! Right, careful now, perhaps. Why are my dogs such a pain in the bums? Careful, careful. Watch this. Somebody will have a go with me on YouTube because of the glass. But I'm trying to pick it up. And yes, I've stabbed myself with it. You were naughty, Jasmine. Trying to carry it off like that. Good job, I got a lot of them. Or I'll just have to have another dessert. Packet of desserts. No, they all did good. They're a little bit windier today outside, but I think it's just because it's cold. But they can go in the hay room out of the way. Phoebe, should we show them the hay room? Come on, puppies. Come on, puppies. Come on, puppies. Come on, puppies. 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 Good puppies. Yeah, come on, then. Come on, puppies. Come on. Come on, it's fun in here. Wow. Wow, Miss Purple, Miss Pink, Mr. Peach. Come on, puppies. This way. You're probably tired. You've been out half an hour. And whenever you come out here, you don't stop, do you? I haven't mucked out or sorted the yard out yet. I just feel like every day I'm running around. Busy. Busy, 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 busy. And I don't get everything I want to get done because I'm busy. And yes, I found more glass. Could kill her for doing that. There's typical Dalmatian behaviour there. So I'll pick it up and carry it off so I don't have to share. Isn't that Jude? It's probably typical dog behaviour, but you see it a lot more on the Dals because they're greedier. Are you busy, Mr. Green? That's Mr. Lime Green. And then there's Miss Yellow. Miss Yellow Lello. But yeah, I think they're ready to come in and warm up. And yeah. There's Miss Peach, who was Miss Light Pink. She's a pretty girl. You're a pretty girl, yeah. So we see if you can walk in on your own without me carrying you in. Here's Miss Red. They're very adventurous. So, anyway, I'm going to leave this here and see you all soon. Bye.